we can achieve a very similar behavior to the while loop with a do-while loop. There is a slight difference in the loop's execution, which is that in the while loop, first we check the condition, and if that evaluated to true, the block of code was executed. Whereas in the do-while loop, first we execute the block of code, and then we check the condition if we should execute the block of code again. So with a do-while loop, we know that there will be at least one execution of the given block of code. The do-while loop starts with a do keyword, then we specify the block of code to be executed, and then with the while keyword, we specify the condition. We can use the do-while loop for any purpose. We could, for example, iterate over the array elements, but instead let's implement a simple echo program, which will output the user's input until he inputs a special character. First, let's inform the user that to exit the program, he'll have to type the letter X. So console write line, to exit, type X. Then you can create a variable to store the user's input, so string user input, and in the loop body, we'll read the user input from the console. So user input is equal to console readline. And now we'll write it out to the console as console write line echo user input. Lastly, we'll specify the loop condition, so while user input is different than X. Let's start the program and see a do-while loop in action. I will type hello from the inside, and as you can see, our program is still running. Let's type X to exit. Now the expression evaluated to false, so we exit from the do-while loop. If we needed to exit from that loop for some other condition, we could achieve that in the same way that we did it with a break keyword in a while loop.